Hi everybody, I'm Jennifer Balsamo, and it's been such a long time since the last time I've been making a video, and the reason why I did not continue it was because I had to move, and I've been struggling a lot with a place that felt right to me, where to live, and now I live in Italy. I'm back to my original country. And I've been living in Norway for 2 years, kind of like 2 years. And now I want to start again, and also I'm making this video to ask you all sorry for disappearing the way I did, but it's been very complicated also to go ahead with all of my tapestries and other projects. And sorry guys, and I hope from now I can start making new videos again. I just wanted to show you one of the last projects that I was making just for myself. Just give me 1 second. Probably somebody have seen it, like a little bit of this on my Instagram, or maybe on Facebook. This is the project I was making, and I haven't shown any picture when it's done, so only here you can see how I made it. And yeah, I will post some more picture on my Instagram later. I really love it, and I've been making it most of the part when I was in Norway, but I managed to end it when I moved to Italy again. So I really love it, and it represents a mask. Yeah, those are the eyes. This is a kind of face, and this is actually tooth, but made with the Gjordes knot, which is an Anatolian technique, or actually it has many names, these techniques. It depends on the country where it was made. So yeah, those actually have a shape, so I will cut them because each of these is a teeth. So I will show you the original drawing. I just want to tell you something, that I'm not used to make a drawing and follow it while weaving like perfectly, because I always have something that bumps in my head that I want to change a lot of times. So I change my drawing while weaving a lot of times. And those, if you can see here, are actually the tooth, and I will make some figure first, and then I will cut them and shape it like this, and I will show you this in my next video. And I will also tell you about my new room. I've been painting this wall. This is my studio actually, with a bed, and the weaving loom is in there. I will show you what I made. I used a support mixer quick lock for music, and I transform it in a support for a weaving loom, so I can just lay on top my weaving loom and use it as if it was a mixer. No, I'm joking. In the next video I want to show you how to make little sculpture that represents a shape that you first make in the textile with the Gjordes knot, and then you want to shape it because you have this drawing. In this case we are gonna do this because I need it for my project, but you can use it every way. Okay, so see you in the next video, and follow me on Instagram. I'm planning in the future to make proper courses online, so you can just buy a course step by step. Yeah, and just check out, if you're new and if you never knew me before, just check my other videos that are pretty good, that gives you very good hints. So thanks so much, and bye bye.